sure.
Seems like they're doing a bit of work on the track now, though.
It is, thank God. A lot of people were spinning.
Yeah, everyone was. And the Mack trucks here did this last week, dusting up the whole track.
The track is so dusty.
What were you getting today so far?
I only made one past 590 at 120.
Yeah. You think it'll clean up by the end of the day?
I hope, man.
2, very consistent to 596. Crossover with a.
He hooked up and went that time.
That was a good ride.
Yeah. It looked good right from the line.
I had to get out of it too. It was skating.
Oh, did you?
Oh, it was skating pretty well the full way down.
Okay.
3/4 track. I had to get out of it. I was out for almost a full second. Got back into it.
That's right.
Oh yeah.
So what was it? 5.2?
544.
5.4. Yeah.
129.
Wild.
I had a big delay into it and everything. Oh yeah.
Wow. Sick.
Second kit never came on until second into the run shot.
Very good, man. It's going to be wild to see.
Yeah, well.
I'll catch you down to the line.
Yeah, thanks.
Big power coming out from one side. A 5.3 for the right side. Upside just by 9/100ths of a second. He has a
Couple of busy fellas today.
Always.
How's it going? You had a couple test passes today?
Yeah, not bad.
What was the times like?
Not quite as fast.
Okay.
Yeah, it was breaking up a bit, but it's coming around.
Figuring it out at least.
Oh yeah. It's working.
For what did you say was in that for a motor?
600 cubic inch big block Ford.
Crazy.
560. $115 miles an hour. Big heavyweight. More than one of the heavy hitters. Weapon 563, 126 miles an hour. These are the valves that we remember for years. It's gonna go home to the left side.
That does it for the day of the Street Outlaws races, guys. Absolute amazing time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Got Myler chasing me down. I appreciate the hell out of everyone watching, man. It's been an amazing day. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It means the world to me. And I'll see you guys next time.